Today we are talking about the one, the only, Polly Pocket. Hi and welcome to It's Me, Your Childhood, where we talk about fun, nostalgic finds from decades past, all for the sake of unlocking some childhood memories. I am going to be showing you my Polly Pocket collection. These are all vintage from the original Bluebird era. These are some of the most sought after Polly Pockets. I'm also going to be giving away half of my collection here. So 2 out of these 4 I am going to be giving away to one subscriber. So stay to the end of the video to see how you can win 2 of my vintage complete Polly Pocket sets. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get nostalgic. Starting off, this is the 1993 vintage Polly Pocket. This is the Grand Ballet. Very cute. When you open it up, you have an entire ballet theater in here. And since this is the complete set, this set came with 1 Polly Pocket and her little tutu. So it's actually very hard to find the original Polly Pocket with her tutu. She's ready to put on a show here. She goes up the stairs onto the stage. I love that there's a little mirror in the back. It's just, I love the theater seating. It's so 90s and so cute. It's very hard to find on the resale markets any Polly Pockets that are completely unused or brand new still in their packaging. So a lot of these will have just a little bit of wear and tear from being 30 years old, if not older. But I do think all of my sets are in excellent condition. I love the fact that Polly Pocket, the idea was created by a dad. Aww. She was invented in 1983 by a dad who used an empty makeup compact to put these little tiny dolls in a little miniature world inside of the makeup compact for his daughter. So that designer's name was Chris Wiggs, and he came up with the idea for his daughter, Kate. Is that not the sweetest thing you've ever heard in your life? That a dad came up with Polly Pocket? I can't. Bluebird Toys licensed Polly Pocket in 1989, and that's when they were beginning their commercial release. The next one I'm going to talk about is the Starlight Castle. This one is actually battery operated, so it has little lights, little light posts in the front, a little light up gazebo, and then the stars in the night sky also light up. I can't. I'm freaking out. So this one's very intricate, very detailed. You open up the little castle doors and inside is the kingdom, but the light up feature is just so special. And the complete set for this one actually features a tiny little swan. It comes with a Prince Charming and then a little Princess Polly. And then it also comes with a horse-drawn carriage. Overall, an absolutely darling and iconic heart-shaped compact, just everything you think of when you think of Polly Pocket. The next one I'm going to share with you is my absolute favorite one. This one is just such a magical experience. So this is from 1993, and this is the Fairylight Wonderland complete set. This is a much larger compact, but it has just a whole magical world in here. There were 3 original Polly Pockets with this one. 2 of them have wings, so being able to find a complete set with the 2 fairies that still have their wings intact, and as well as like the little brunette cutie pie, is very hard to find. But this one just has so many fun little elements. It has a little front opening gate. It has a light up feature as well. It has a little rotating dance floor, a stage, a hot air balloon, a light up backdrop. I even love that you can set all 3 of the girls in here and they take a little spinny ride. So they go around on this little Ferris wheel carousel. So creative, such a little fun girl world. So many fun things to look at. Just such a dream. I'm so excited. I will be keeping this one. Just a spoiler, I'm not giving this one away. I will be keeping this to pass down to my daughter. And the last one I'm going to be sharing with you guys is when they really started to branch out with some fun ideas. So this is from 1995. This is the Polly Pocket Splash and Slide. So this one has, it's an entire little water park, and you actually can pour water in here and use a bunch of the different little water features for the Polly Pockets that it comes with. So there are 4 little figures that come with this one, but there are a bunch of different little water elements, different buttons that you press. You can have one go for a little jacuzzi spin, off the diving board, lounging on the side, going down the water slide. It's just so fun. I will say though, so this one kind of locks and clicks into place, but I will say you might just want to have a towel or something nearby, as you know, it is like a water toy, so just a little heads up. But this is one of the ones that I will be giving away. But yes, like I said, I am going to be giving away 2 out of 4 of these. So the 2 that I'm giving away are the Grand Ballet and the Splash and Slide. So these are the 2 I'm giving away, and I'm just giving them away to 1 subscriber. So if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here and leave a comment down below for the best way for me to reach you, whether you want me to send you an Instagram DM or message you through YouTube if you are chosen as the winner. They are very pricey resale value, so I'm excited that I am able to give away 2 complete sets to one of you guys. So that is it. Thank you for letting me share Polly Pocket with you guys. I have new videos going up every Throwback Thursday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on our next little journey back in time. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again.